Hi guys, welcome back to Tech to AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up OmniRoute with Antigravity step by step. So you can AI providers through one single local endpoint without constantly switching API keys. Okay guys, so before we get into the setup, let me first explain what OmniRoute actually is. Because once you understand this, everything else will make complete sense. So imagine this situation. You're working on a big coding project, you're in the middle of something important, and suddenly your AI stops responding. Credits finished, API limit hit. And now you have to wait or log into 5 different dashboards, copy paste API keys, switch tools, and by the time you're back, you've completely lost your flow. That is exactly the problem OmniRoute was built to solve. So what is OmniRoute? OmniRoute is a free open source AI gateway that sits right on your own computer, between you and every AI provider in the world. Instead of connecting your coding tools directly to OpenAI or Claude or Gemini separately, you connect them to one single local endpoint, and OmniRoute handles everything else behind the scenes. It currently connects to 237 AI providers, and more than 90 of them have a completely free tier. So when you add up all those free tiers together, you get approximately 1.6 billion free AI tokens every single month. And if you're in your first month with sign-up credits included, that goes up to 2.1 billion tokens. Now here's what makes it really special. OmniRoute doesn't just connect providers. It also has a feature called auto fallback, a 4-tier fallback system. What this means is, if one provider hits its limit or fails or goes down, OmniRoute silently catches that error and instantly switches to the next best provider in milliseconds. You don't even notice it happened. Your work just continues. It also has 17 different routing strategies you can choose from. For example, Auto, OmniRoute scores all your connected providers and picks the best balance of speed, cost, and quality for that exact request. Auto Cheap, it picks the lowest cost option. Auto Fast, it picks the fastest one. And if you're advanced, there's even a fusion mode where your prompt goes to multiple models at the same time, and a judge model combines the best parts of all their answers into one perfect response. There's also something called token compression. OmniRoute has a 10-engine compression stack, including 2 engines called RTK and Caveman that can automatically reduce your token usage by anywhere from 15% to 95% without losing accuracy. That means your free tokens last even longer. And the best part? It all happens on the server side. You don't have to change anything in your code or your workflow. Now here's the most important thing for developers and creators. You don't have to change how you work. If you're already using tools like Antigravity, Claude Code, Cursor, Klein, Copilot, or OpenAI Codex, you just point them to OmniRoute's local endpoint and it works immediately. Because OmniRoute speaks the same language as OpenAI's API, so any tool that connects to OpenAI can connect to OmniRoute without changing a single line of code. And it's not just for coding. OmniRoute also supports multimodal APIs, meaning it can handle text, images, audio, video, and more. It has built-in MCP support for 95 plus tools, so your AI agents can connect to the outside world. It even has A2A communication, which means your AI agents can talk to each other and work as a team. For teams, there's quota sharing, so multiple people can share the same API keys without one person locking everyone else out. And there's a full dashboard where you can track live usage, remaining free quotas, cost telemetry, and everything happening in the background. So to summarize, OmniRoute gives you one local endpoint for 237 AI providers, 90 plus free tier providers, 1.6 billion free tokens per month, auto fallback, never stop working, 17 routing strategies, 15 to 95% token savings through compression, works with Antigravity, Cursor, Claude Code, Copilot, and more. Completely free and open source, 14,000 stars on GitHub. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set all of this up step by step, so that you never run out of AI credits in the middle of your work ever again. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything required so the installation goes smoothly without any errors. I've already installed these prerequisites on my computer, so I'm just showing you what you'll need before we continue. First, you'll need to install Node.js. Simply open Google, search for Node.js, then open the official Node.js website. Scroll down a little, select your operating system, whether it's Windows or macOS, download the installer, and complete the installation. I've already done this, so I'm going to skip this part. Next, we'll install Python. Although Python isn't required to install OmniRoute itself, many AI tools, automation scripts, and advanced local AI projects depend on Python. Having it installed now will save you time later. After that, we'll install Git. Git is an essential developer tool. It allows you to clone repositories, manage project files, and install many open source AI applications. Most developer projects expect Git to be installed. And finally, since today's goal is to use OmniRoute with Antigravity, we'll also install Antigravity. Great. Now that everything is installed, let's quickly verify that everything is working correctly. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R or simply search for PowerShell from the Windows search and open it. Now type Node-V and press Enter. If you see a version number, that means Node.js has been installed successfully. Now type npm-v and press Enter. You'll also see the installed version of npm. Perfect. Now we're ready to install OmniRoute globally on our system. In PowerShell, type npm install-g OmniRoute, then press Enter. Depending on your internet speed and computer, the installation may take a few minutes. Once the installation finishes without any errors, OmniRoute has been installed successfully. Now let's launch OmniRoute. Simply type OmniRoute and press Enter. The OmniRoute CLI will start a local server and automatically open the dashboard in your default web browser. If it doesn't open automatically, you can manually open your browser and visit http://localhost:20128. This is the OmniRoute dashboard login page. On the very first launch, OmniRoute uses the default password, change me. Let's copy and paste it. Oops, looks like I copied an extra character. No worries, I'll just type it manually. Change me. Click, sign in. And that's it. We're now inside the OmniRoute dashboard. You'll notice several features here, such as create a PI key, connect providers, point your client, and monitor and optimize. But instead of exploring everything, let's focus only on what we need to get OmniRoute working. First, click on API keys. Now click Create your first key. Now give your API key a name. You can name it anything you like. I'm going to call mine Test Antigravity. Now click Create API key. And that's it. Our API key has been created successfully. Now make sure you copy this API key and save it somewhere safe because we'll use this same key later to authenticate Antigravity with OmniRoute. Now let's move to Providers. Here you'll find a huge collection of AI providers. In fact, it's hard to think of a popular provider that isn't already listed here. You'll also notice different colored status indicators: green, blue, orange, and gray dots. The green indicator means the provider offers a free tier. Since we're only interested in free providers, click on Free tier. As you can see, these are all the providers that currently offer a free tier. You'll probably recognize many of these names, while others may be completely new to you. Now, to connect any provider, simply click on it. I'm going to connect ZenMax. Click Add Connection. The connection name is already filled in as main. We'll leave it exactly as it is. Now let's quickly check Advanced Settings. There's nothing we need to change here. We'll keep the priority set to Priority 1. Now, under the API key field, simply type free. Let's validate it. As you can see, the connection has been validated successfully. Now click Save. Perfect. The provider is now connected, and as you can see, OmniRoute has automatically imported 144 available models. You can connect as many providers as you want using exactly the same process. Let's connect one more. Some providers offer both free and paid models. For those providers, simply enable Import Only Free Models. That way, only free models will be imported into OmniRoute. Now click Save. I'll connect one or two more providers, just to give OmniRoute a few more models to work with. As you can see, I've now connected several providers successfully. Now click on Endpoints. There are three things you should verify here. Your active endpoint should be available, your local server should show running, and finally, Cloud OmniRoute should also show active. Perfect. Everything is configured correctly. Now leave OmniRoute running in both your browser and PowerShell. This is important because OmniRoute runs as a local server. If you close either the browser or the PowerShell window, the local service will stop and Antigravity will no longer be able to communicate with OmniRoute. Now that OmniRoute is fully configured, let's switch over to Antigravity. I've already opened Antigravity. The first thing we need to do is install the KiloCode extension. Click on Extensions, then search for Kilo. You'll see several results, so make sure you install the correct one. It's called KiloCode AI Coding Agent. As you can see, it already has more than 2 million downloads. Click Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the KiloCode icon on the left sidebar. Click it to open. This is the KiloCode chat interface. If you look here, you'll notice there are already many AI models available. You can even connect your own paid models if you want. Now click on Settings. Then click the Settings gear near the bottom. Now select Provider. Scroll down a little and under Provider, choose OpenAI-compatibility API. This tells KiloCode to communicate with any service that supports the OpenAI API standard, including OmniRoute. Now let's fill in the required information. For provider ID, type OmniRoute. For display name, we'll also use OmniRoute. Next, we need the base URL. Go back to OmniRoute. Open the endpoints page. Copy the API base URL. Now return to Antigravity and paste it into the base URL field. This is the local endpoint that allows Antigravity to communicate with OmniRoute. Now for the API key, paste the same API key we created earlier inside OmniRoute. Finally, for the model ID, type auto/coding:free. This tells OmniRoute to automatically select the best available free coding model from all the providers you've connected. Now click Save. Oops, looks like something went wrong. I accidentally used a capital letter. The provider ID only accepts lowercase characters. Let's correct that. Now click Save again. Perfect. The connection has been established successfully. You'll see the message OmniRoute is connected. OmniRoute models are now available to use. As you can see, all the providers we connected earlier are now available inside Antigravity. Whenever you want to add more models, simply return to the OmniRoute dashboard, connect another provider, and the new models will automatically become available here. For example, I'm going to connect NVIDIA, and I'll also connect Comfy UI. One important thing to remember, whenever you're using OmniRoute, make sure the OmniRoute server is still running in PowerShell. If the local server stops, Antigravity will no longer be able to communicate with OmniRoute. Now let's test everything. Let's select one of the available models. I'm going to choose NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra because it's available on the free tier. Now let's build something simple just to make sure everything is working correctly. I've already entered my prompt. Now let's send it. And there it goes. KiloCode has already started generating the project. Perfect. The project has been generated successfully. Let's open index.html. And there you go. As you can see, our tool has been created successfully. Now let's try one more example. Click on New Session. I'll keep using the same model because this time I simply want to verify that everything continues to work correctly. Now let's give it another prompt. This time, let's build a simple focus timer. It's asking for permission, so let's allow it. And within just a few moments, our focus timer is ready as well. The purpose of this demo was simply to show you that OmniRoute has been configured correctly. It's successfully connected with Antigravity and everything is working exactly as expected. Now, whenever you connect additional providers inside OmniRoute, their available models will automatically appear inside Antigravity, allowing you to switch between them without constantly reconfiguring API keys. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and hype the video. It really helps the channel. Also, share this video with anyone who wants an easier way to manage multiple AI providers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to Tech2AI and turn on the notification bell, because in the next video, we'll continue exploring OmniRoute and build something even more powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.